Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, job notification from 5 companies. Work location is Hyderabad and different locations. So let's get started. First, Qualum company is hiring viewers. Work location is Hyderabad. They are hiring engineering candidates. Position is engineering position. In order to apply for this position, minimum qualification is candidates who have completed their BE, BTech, ME, MTech candidates are eligible for this position. Candidate need to possess knowledge in Python, prior functionality, performance test experience on embedded systems. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, should be a good team player and need to perform independently also. And common skills, problem solving skills, time management skills. We need to prioritize things and we need to complete our work done on time. Live and breathe quality software development with excellent analytical skills. When we see preferred qualification, development experience in C++, experience with ML application development, strong exposure to software testing methodologies and reporting. So these are the main important points like C++ knowledge, exposure to testing methodology and reporting, ML application development. Interested candidates can apply for this position. This is for experienced candidates. I am going to provide link in description. Next job opportunity from Hero Company, Hero Steel Limited, and they are hiring for graduate engineering trainee positions. Freshers can apply. 2020 passed outs also eligible for this position viewers. So they clearly mentioned BTech 2020 passed outs can apply for this position. Mechanical branch. When we come to daily routine responsibilities, it includes that we need to check quality of all the stages. Steel, we are dealing with some kind of products where we need to check their quality part. Online inspection of raw material in PIC lining, online inspection of CR/HR coils. So basically it related to quality oriented part of a product. Freshers can apply. And as well as we need to attend customer complaints, training to understand the criticality of product and end products. And obviously after dealing with customer problems, we need to maintain log sheets, maintain quality parameter as per customer specifications. Interested candidates can upload CV directly on Hero Steel Limited official site by entering job title, area of expertise, first name, last name, email ID, gender, mobile number, our current location. If you are experienced candidate, your current CTC, attach your resume and you need to submit your application. So interested candidates can apply. And next, nice opportunity from Dansalt System viewers. They are hiring for assurance engineering, quality part. Even this belongs to quality part. Work location is Pune. In order to apply for this position, required skills are like obviously candidates who have completed their BE, BTech, ME, MTech candidates are eligible for this position. Mainly, candidate need to highly motivated to meet challenges of working with geographically dispersed team, and we need to deal with cross functional teams, and we need to handle multiple tasks by managing our time. Very important point. Freshers experience both can apply for this position viewers. The only thing is you need to manage your time and you need to complete your work on time, and must be motivated to ensure high quality of software and committed software testing activities. Even they mention some daily routine activities like about 0 to 1 year relevant experience in software testing and using scientific. So obviously freshers experience both can apply for this position. Interested candidates can apply. Next job opportunity from Katia, Katia Engineering, and company is Quest. Work location is Bangalore. Required education is candidates who have completed their BE, BTech, BS Mechanical Engineering candidates are eligible for this position. position level is middle level position. So obviously 3 years work experience is mandatory. Full time employment. And candidate need to have knowledge regarding like international standards on safety, mechanical design, experience in PLM platform, Team Center, Windchill is required. Even they clearly mention few important points here in the notification, like design for manufacturing, assembly, service requirements, which is a basic responsibility once we selected in the company. Experience in developing concepts for mechanical components and drawing. Experience in design bolted, welded, forged, casted constructions. So even they mentioned few other responsibilities where you need to handle in day-to-day work. So please to refer once. And next job notification from Leonie Weirs, and they are hiring for maintenance technician position. Skills required are methodological skills, obviously maintenance, problem solving capability, strong communication skills, we need to deal with different kind of people, ability to manage people in a positive manner and to deal with difficult situations. Written oral communication skills in French is required. English is an asset. Excellent knowledge of MS Office products. Work experience in automobile industry is an advantage. Obviously, one point is like written oral communication in French. So candidates who had a knowledge of French are only eligible for this position, because this is one of a main important point. They are mentioned under skills. And company offering good remuneration, corporate training and development programs, chance to release your potential and realize your ideas. It's a full-time employment based on labor contract. Interested candidates can apply. I'm going to provide 5 important links in description. I think 2 or 3 job opportunities for freshers, remaining all for experienced candidates, and one of job opportunity where you need to possess knowledge regarding French language also. So please do refer once. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time.